Gratitude is a positive emotion involving thankfulness and appreciation for the good things in life, fostering a sense of well-being and positive relationships. It's about recognizing and valuing what you have and acknowledging the sources of goodness in your life, whether it's people, circumstances, or something larger than yourself. So one of the things we did is I asked the ladies to write on cards, what are you grateful for? And when I got those cards back, they just all fell into categories. So with each song, we're going to be saying a few of those things that the ladies are grateful for. I am grateful to my mom for cultivating music in my life. I am grateful for good health. I am grateful for the women who have held space for me to explore my creativity. I'm grateful for my dog and my cat. I'm grateful for singing.